Hi, Jen here, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about my project pan. So I've decided to do a project pan because I have so many beauty products, and what happens is that I use multiple products, but it's never ending or finishing, if that makes sense. Let's say it's for the month of December going into January 2025. So let's start. I want to start with my makeup products that I'm going to use. These products that I'm going to show you are products that I will be using every single time I do my makeup. I might change some products for my tutorials only, my content creation, but other than that, in real life, on a day-to-day basis, I will be using these products I am about to show you. First of all, I want to start with primers. I have this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Look Primer, and I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna guess where it's at. You know what? I cannot properly mark this one, but this is a matte primer. I'm also going to use this Revolution Star Primer, and currently it's sitting at about here, so I'm gonna mark it right here. So next time we'll see where I'll be at when we do an updated video. Foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Superstay Foundation. I think it's somewhere here. So it's almost done. I'm gonna mark it there. This camera is tripping, guys. Okay, so you can see the little mark I did here. So we'll see, and I'm pretty confident that this will be over by December. Maybe I'm being too optimistic, but yeah, there's that. And then, I'm going to use as well this Glotion by L'Oreal. It's the Glotion the True Match Lumi Glotion. The reason why I want to use this Lumi Glotion is because the Maybelline Superstay Foundation is very full coverage and matte. For concealers, I have a bunch. These concealers are almost done. I think the ColourPop concealer is pretty empty. I'm scraping it at this point, and I think it's almost empty. I don't even think I need to mark it. I wish you could see like inside. Maybe you can see, I think, yeah. So this is empty, and then I will be using this Maybelline concealer to carve up my brows and also to prime my eyelids. And this one also almost empty. You can see the demarcation just right here. So I'm gonna mark it right here. To highlight my face, when I need a full coverage concealer, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and there's a dent right here. This is almost empty as well. Next, I have this brightening pen by e.l.f. and this has a light coverage. For cream blushes, I'm going to use this Maybelline blush stick. This is no longer available. It doesn't exist anymore, and there's a bit left. So I know this can be done in a couple of days, weeks, hopefully before 2025. For bronzer, I will be using this e.l.f. foundation. This foundation, I am using it for a liquid bronzer because it is too deep for my skin tone currently. This could be my summer shade, but even during summer, it's a bit too deep. So there's that, and there's a line of demarcation. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Okay, you're right here. We're halfway through. I'm gonna mark this. I like to set my brows with powder. I am using this e.l.f. It's a loose powder, and it is almost empty. I don't know if you can see on camera. Almost done. So I use that every single time I do my brows. I know this is gonna be empty very soon. Next, for my brows, I like using this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I do have a couple of these as backup, but as for now, this is the one I am using for my brows. It's almost finished. Also, I've had this little essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara, eyebrow gel mascara. Oh, I can barely speak. And this thing, I've had it for ages, and every time I use it, there's always something in it. So we'll see when I'm gonna be able to, completely use it. Okay, good. To set under my eyes, so to set my concealers, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me a loose finishing powder. It's almost done. I cannot wait to be done with this. To set the entirety of my face, so my foundation, I will be using these discontinued products by NYX. This is the no filter powder. I feel like I use it almost every single day and I don't see any progress. Yeah. And when I use these, I go heavy, like I swirl my brush in it and no progress yet. For blush, I will be using this Maxi blush by Rimmel. It matches very well with the Master Glaze. They're very similar in shades. To set my bronzer contour, I am going to use my CoverGirl bronzer. And I will also be using my Black Radiance contour palette, the 2 shades. So I'm mixing these products together. Ooh. For eyeshadow, again, maybe not for my tutorials, but on a day-to-day basis, I will try to hit pan on this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, the Glamour Squad palette. I've had this for many years, and because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, I don't have eyeshadow palettes that I hit pan on, but I'm going to focus on this product during the month of December to try to finish this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara, a pretty thick not full coverage, but heavy duty mascara. And for bottom lash mascara, I've just realized I forgot to complete my lower lash line for this makeup look, but anyways, it's okay. But I will be using this it's called the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. For my lips, this month I want to go through this lip pencil for the beauty supply store. That's what I have on my lips right now. I will be using as well this lipstick by e.l.f. It's a pink lipstick. For lip gloss, I will be using this Morphe lip gloss on it, and it's approximately here, just like so. What else? And on the days where I don't want to wear a lipstick, because when I run errands, I don't want to wear a lipstick, I'm going to use this little gloss by Morphe. This is more than halfway done, I would say. Right? Almost forgot. Because the Maybelline foundation, the Superstay Maybelline foundation is very full coverage and matte, I will be using this setting spray. This setting spray is a Glow Vitamin C plus Magnesium Facial Mist. It's more than halfway done. Per usual, I always forget about this little thing. It's a under eye primer by Smashbox. It's tiny and I always forget about it, so I will try not to forget about it and use it every time I do my makeup. It's pretty full, but it's tiny, right? So I'm gonna be fine. Perfume. I want to use this little perfume samples. These are gonna be easy because it's like 2 uses in these samples. I have the Paco Rabanne, now I think it's Rabanne only, Fame perfume. I will be using the Gucci Guilty. It's for men, but who cares? I'm gonna use it anyways. I'm also going to use this Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede. And finally, the Skylar Peach Fields sample. I will be using this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Cream. It's a moisturizer, and I have this Glow Recipe Black Retinol Blemish Serum, Blemish and Texture Remedy plus Skin Reset. I am going to use this, and this also is 2 uses, so there's that. And I want to use this Garnier Skin Active Eye Sheet Mask Moisture Bomb. I want to use these eye patches. I bought them off Amazon. It's the Golden Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch. I think about 10 eye patches left. I want to use this toner every single day until it is finished. It is a toner from the Factor Formula Skin Hair Nourishment. It's an organic tea tree toner. I love this stuff. It was sent to me and I love it. It's almost empty. You can see how much is left, so this is gonna be a couple of uses. Yeah, you can see it. And when I do my makeup, I want to use this toner here. This is by Garnier Skin Active, and the only reason why I want to use this only when I do my makeup is because it's a mattifying toner and I have a combination oily skin, so this is gonna be great. We'll see how much progress I'm going to make on this one, and this is halfway through. In the same line as mattifying things when I do my makeup, I want to use this lotion by e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Lotion. I use it only on my T-zone when I do my makeup, where I get the most oily. It's around here. Okay, so there's a lot left. When I do my makeup, I like to use the Embryolisse Les Crèmes Concentrées. I don't know how to say it in English. It has a moisturizer in it, a makeup primer, and also a moisturizing mask. So you can also use it as a mask, but I only use it as a moisturizer and makeup primer. Love that. Love this stuff. Let me mark it. It's right here, right now. So I know I'm gonna make progress. I want to finish this. What is it? It's a Juice Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. And this was, I got this from Influencer. It's almost done. It feels light. The packaging is heavy, but it was heavier when it was full. So I know this is gonna be done by the end of December. Then I have this niacinamide by Inky List. The Inky List. This is almost empty. Like when I use it, I have to press hard on it to get the product out. I cannot tell where it's at, but I assure you it's almost empty, so I'm not worried about this. It's gonna be empty by the end of December. Then I have this vitamin C, this anti-aging vitamin C serum. I got this on Amazon, and also almost empty. It's right here, the little mark. My daily moisturizer is the Ordinary moisturizer. Yeah, somewhere here. And I like to mix in this oil by e.l.f. It's a nourishing facial oil. I have this. It's right there. I have this Bird Bees eye cream. I always forget about, and I don't know where it's at. I guess I will update when this is completely empty. I want to be done with this Selfless by Harem Peptide Q10 and Ginger. It's a daily defense antioxidant serum. I feel like it's somewhere here. So next, face cleanser. I have a lot of different face cleansers. Right now I'm using the Pure Skin face cleanser by First Aid Beauty, and this is almost empty. I can feel like it's somewhere here, somewhere there. I want to use this Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Mask, and this is something that I can use every day. I will try to remember using it every day. I feel like it's halfway empty. It's halfway there, so right there. I have this The Ordinary Amino Acid Plus B5 Concentrated Hydration Formula, and this is empty, to be honest. The bottle is dark to protect the product so no sun rays can get through it, but anyways, it's here, right there. I have this The Ordinary Resveratrol 3% ferulic acid 3%. It's an antioxidant formula. This as well, I'm pretty confident that I can finish it by the end of December. I have this Origin Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and glacier water. So this stuff, I like to use it in winter when my face feels ultra dry. This is where we at. It's the Origin Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and there's 2/3 left. There you go. So let's see how much progress I'm gonna be able to make on this one. I have a bunch of hand creams. I want to finish these Pink Sugar hand creams, as well as this Mûre Gourmande Gourmet Blackberry. It's Yves Rocher hand cream. And what I'm going to do is just put them in this little container that I use. It's a Laneige container, and I've put lotion in it. There's this much right now in it. It's something that is always in my purse, so I should be able to finish this and then add this in it. This one here, there's this much left. Same thing with this one. there's nothing left. So I'm gonna open it and remove everything that it's in there. And this one around here, I have this body wash I wanna use completely, and the only reason why I added this body wash is because I have multiple body washes and I like to, you know, use them depending on how I feel. And what happens, products doesn't get empty, okay? And I'm tired of this, so I should be finishing this by the end of December. The only reason why I might not finish it is because I have like a 3-step shower routine. I like to first go in with a bar soap, and then sometimes I will use a body wash afterwards, and at the end, definitely in winter, I have to use a oil body wash. So it's a 3-step, and sometimes when I don't feel like it, I skip entirely the body wash and just focus on the soap bar and the body oil. So we'll see how much progress I'm going to make on this one. This scent is lovely, so it's there. Lips. So I have this lip mask by Laneige, and this is it's empty, okay? And I'm also using this lip oil gel that I use at night when I go to sleep. So this also is empty. I know you can tell, right? It's empty. And once these two are finished, I will be using this one. This brand new one is in the vanilla flavor. Yeah, so this completes my project pan for December. I'm excited to use my products, and I also highly encourage you guys to do the same. One thing I was that inspired me to do a project pan was foundation. I started with foundation, and I started working on this foundation in September. I'd say September. Well, yeah, September for sure, or end of August. I'm not sure anymore, but end of August and September I started working on this foundation, and now it's completely empty, and the feeling it gives you, it's unmatched. So I highly recommend using your products if you have a whole lot, and finish your products before thinking of buying another product, you know. Hopefully you did enjoy this video, and I cannot wait to give you an update at the end of December or beginning of January. I'd like to thank you for spending some time with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. Join the squad. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.